Complete barrel assembly. First, remove your magazine. Then pull the slide back and remove the slide catch. Now pull the slide forward, separating the slide from the frame. Now remove the recoil spring and spring guide. Remove the recoil spring plug, the barrel bushing. Now remove the barrel by pushing it forward through the front of the slide. Then take off the barrel spring, put the barrel spring on the barrel from the assembly kit. Slide the barrel back through the front of the slide. Note, this may be a snug fit. Reinstall the barrel bushing, the recoil spring plug, recoil spring and recoil spring guide, then put the slide back on the frame and install the slide catch. And you're done. And thank you for the giant hairy hands brought to you by Elite Force Eric the Ewok. If you can truly appreciate Elite Force Eric's hairy yub Ewok hands, please subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video. Thanks for watching.